Hi, everybody. Welcome to Forex Friends. It's nice having you guys again in this new video. We are going to be looking at the market today, Monday, the 9th of December 2024, right? Okay. We just want to go through the market. Nothing much is happening, right? Nothing much is happening. We just want to rush through and see and look at the market together, have a quick view together, right? So as you can see, what happened today. Let me try and expand here, right? Right. Yeah, I closed out some trades today, right? Yeah, today I closed out some few trades today. Yeah, huh? Yeah, yeah. This was on $4. Euro NZD was on $4, and this on uh negative 0.88. Yeah, but they are very minimal losses, right? They're very minimal losses. So I closed them off because I didn't really like at the long run what I was expecting to see. I did not see in the trades. I did not see it doing what I was actually expecting. That's why I just like take them off, right? So for us to concentrate on things on the other trades that really matters, right? So that is it. So far, we are here today in these two trades. We are still on Euro NZD. We are on Euro NZD. We are very um, sure of this pair of going up. It's on the daily time frame. So there is no rush, right? There is no rush in this pair. Just let it do its thing. Like I told you, we are trading 0.01, right? You can imagine 0.01. We have just two positions, right? 0.01, 0.01, just two positions. And our account size, you can see it now is 180 and $82, right? Which means that we have we have enough power in the market, right, to withstand anything. That's that's the how can I put it? The core of a good trader, to have that cushion, that good cushion, right, to withstand the market, because the market is very brutal at times. It's very brutal. So you need to have a tough skin in order to face those waves in the market, right? So even this trade pullback against me, like maybe $6, $7, it doesn't really, you know, put me in any anxiety or give me any, or doesn't threaten my account in any way, right? Because I know at the end of the day, this market will still go back up, right? Will still go back up, and I'm still going to make the money. Probably maybe this week, I don't know. On Thursday, Friday, we might find the market right up here, and we are going to make the money from it. And this, our second trade, it actually is a very good trade, right? It's a very good trade. Here is just a little retracement. You can see negative $7. You remember our account size. Our account size is 120, $182, right? So negative seven is child's play, right? We can handle it, right? We can handle negative $7, and it won't keep you awake at night. It won't keep you awake at night, and you can see the market going back down in our favor. So we are looking forward to this, to see this market, right? It is already going, right? You see all this movement. It's already going. By tomorrow you'll find it somewhere down here, and will be in the money. So those are the only two trades that we are actually looking at uh, today, Monday. You know, usually Mondays are like uh, very The trades on Mondays are always very scanty, right? Trading positions on Mondays are always very scanty. Some traders don't even trade on Mondays, right? So these are trades that we had last week, right? We are still maintaining them. This one, along the day, it gave almost about $4, right? I went out, then I came out from those other two trades that were not doing what I was expecting them to do. Then when it retraced, because I saw how the market was ready to retrace. When it retraced back, then I now took another entry to ride it back up. Okay. So with that said, today I'm sorry guys. Today we are looking at the market, even though there is really nothing much here, because we can't find our setups, right? So this is where traders have the most difficulty, right? To be able to fold your arms. If you can't find your setup, just fold your arms, sit and wait. That is the key. In fact, one of the keys of trading in the forex market. Forget about all those gurus that tells you, "Oh, I make $1,000 a day. I make $500 a day." There is nobody that can command the market to do as they wish the market to do, right? The market does what it wants to do. There are days that you come to the market and you will not find any of your setup, and if you push it, you will lose your money. Like what is happening today, really, I I don't have any extra setup a part of these two that we had last week, which I am sure that this market is going down, right? Because when trading the market, you must have that degree of certainty of in your trade, that confidence in your trades. If not, the market will make you doubt yourself. Yes, it will make you doubt yourself, and when you do, you are going to lose money, because at that point where you are doubting, what are you going to do? You are going to stop the trades and you stop them in a loss, right? And then you are going to quit. Like when this trade went back up here, if I did not know what is happening in this market, I would have said, "Oh, it's in a negative right now. Let me just pull out." Right? It's in a negative right now. Let me just pull out. But that's not what I'm going to do, because I have a degree of confidence in my trades, right? And I know where I'm expecting it to go, and I think it's still going to go there. So that's it. Let's see. Let's see. There is really nothing much. There's really nothing much. One of our best setups. I saw it today here, but it did not really come to fruition. Let me show you guys. No, not on go. But this is also one of our good setups. You guys remember, right? The double touch, and then boom, the break. This is one of our good setups. In fact, one of our best setups, right? So, but I saw this on that was let me see what happened. I saw this on okay, here. It was supposed to come here, right? It gave the first touch here. Boom. It was supposed to end here, and then I was looking at this market going down here, but it did not. Right? It did not. I was looking at it ending here and then going down here. We would have made almost about, let's say from here, we would have made almost about 80 pips or 90 pips from this trade alone. But the market continued going up, and that is it. We just let it be, right? We cannot force the market to do anything. No one can. No one can. Yeah. So let's look at the other pairs, which really there is nothing, because I have gone through it, right? There is nothing there. Remember, the first thing that we look at is that for we to confirm that the market is in an uptrend, the the yellow SMA must be above the red, right? The yellow SMA must be above the red. The 200 must be above the 800. Then we are confirming that the market is in an up. Then we are now going to look for a structure to trade that market. Or if the yellow is below, like doing like in this area, the market was in a downtrend. Why this double confirmation? I explained already in my previous videos. The 800 is very powerful, right? It tells us the sentiment of the higher time frame without you even looking at the higher time frame, right? It tells you the sentiment of the higher time frame, how the higher time frame is viewing the market. Then you can proceed from there. Let's say if you are here, right? Here at this point, you see the higher time frame is also telling you that the market is going down, right? So that is what we are trying to do, right? To have a complete look at the market at a single glance, both the higher and the lower time frames, right? To have that complete look. And you see this the gravity here. The gravity now tells us the sentiment of the current price, right? Okay, so there is a lot on this simple chart that I see, right, at a glance. So here you can have your boom boom. If we have this kind of a trade, you can see for yourself. If you if if you if you saw the previous setup, it's almost the same like this one, the identical. That is this is when you can say to yourself that you have a setup, right? And whenever we spot this setup, I'm going to show you guys that we have our setup, and you see how much we are going to make out of the setup is very juicy, right? 1:4, 1:5 is very, very juicy. At that point, we are going to make a lot out of the market. Yeah. So for now, we are just going to scan through. Here, there is nothing much. Honestly, you can see the higher time frame is telling us that look up here, the market is in the downtrend, right? You can see even when we were on the 30 minutes time frame, you can see the red, it is below the 800. So it's telling us that the higher time frame is falling, right? It's in a downtrend. So trading any buy here is a risk. Any buy here it can easily flip back against you, right? And you might be wondering what is happening, but you did not look at the higher time frame. So this helps us to see the sentiment of the higher time frame, right? So let's see. Really, there is nothing here. There's nothing much. Nothing much. Yeah, it's nothing much here. Yeah, it's just caught in between, right? In between. So nothing much. Nothing much here. Nothing much. Okay. Here, there's really nothing much. We can see the 200 is still below. It's still below the 800. So looking for a buy there is not really the best. Here, nothing, really nothing much. We want to see our setup. If we can find our setup, good. We are going to, or maybe our setup gradually forming. Then we can keep that trade somewhere and start looking at it carefully to see what is going to happen to it. So, but for now, there is nothing much in the market. Anyway, to me, others can take their trades in relation to the way they look at the market, right? If they look at the market in a certain light, based on what they are seeing, or based on what they know how to trade, they can take their trades. But every day, everybody has their opportunity or has their day, right? If today is not for you, let it go. Right. Okay, so virtually there is nothing here. There's nothing here for me. Right, I'm really scanning through. There's nothing here. I see this market are all pushing down, but the price action wants to go up, so there is that contradiction, right? So we cannot put ourselves in places like that. We must see an agreement with the price action and also the indicators, right, confirming what is happening. Then we are going to. So now there's nothing here. You would have, there's nothing here. It's just cut in between. This is one of our trade here, Euro NZD. We are not going to touch that. Yeah, some people jump in here to take a buy, but that is not me. That is not my setup. I'm just going to hover over it, hover around it, and then move on and see. If we had seen this trade, maybe, but it is against, right? It is against us because you can see the higher time frame telling us that we are trending up, right? If you look here, you see higher time frame is telling us that the main power is up, the higher time frame is up, right? So taking this trade here would have been very risky. Yeah, would have been very risky. But you can see it's also double touch, right? But it would have been risky because the higher time frame does not agree. So it's very simple. It's very simple. Immediately you know your setup and you know what you're looking for in the market. You just need to wait for it. Yeah. You just need to wait for it. That is it. You wait for it. When it comes, you take it. And you will do that without any regrets. So we don't have anything here. GU, no. Ooh, no. If we were here, we could take it here. Yeah, 30 pips. But this arrow was already here, so we could just take it to clear this trade or something. But it's not really our ideal setup. Maybe we would have gone there with 0.01. So you can see, guys, even if you are trading with 0.01, your account is still going to grow. Okay, please stop over trading. That is what is killing most of us. Stop over trading. Okay, so reduce your loss size to the bare minimum such that you have enough strength to accommodate certain movements in the market. And you see, most of the times at the end of the day, your trade will still go back in your direction, in the intended direction. The market will still go back in that intended direction. But the only problem is that if you use very high lot sizes, before the market makes a little move, right, your account will be wiped out, right? So the most important thing is to keep that strength that will enable you to withstand certain movements in the market, and you just be fine. Yeah, you may not grow the account so fast, but the account is going to grow, and over time you will be a consistent trader. You build up your confidence, you build up your account, and then you'll be able to now look for capital in order to trade the small lot sizes, which at that time will be making you a lot more money. Because let's say if you finally got a capital of, let's say, $100,000, or maybe let's just say 10,000, right? $10,000. After you have seasoned yourself with good lot sizes, good risk management, in that 10,000, imagine you are trading just $2, or even just $1. You are still going to grow that account, right? Over time, just give yourself time. You are going to grow that account, and you make a lot of money out of it. So let's see. It's just impatience that kills some traders, and it's not like they don't have a good strategy. They do, but they want to make the money so fast. And having that kind of a mindset, the market is going to deal with you, right? I know most of you can resonate with what I'm saying, right? If you've been in the market for that long, you definitely understand what I'm saying. Is that is factual, right? If you have had the experience that some of us have had, then you will understand what I'm saying, right? So let's see. So here I was actually waiting for this trade. This trade would have given us a lot today, but nonetheless, it's okay. If it's not ready to give us the money, then that's fine. We'll just wait and see what the next trade is going to do. Okay. Here you have double bounce here. You can see the 200 is above the 800, and the market sentiment is also upward. This trade, if you go into this trade, right, there is absolutely no way you are not going to make the money. There's absolutely no way you are not going to make the money. Wait for our setup. For those that are following me, for those that want to trade the same strategy like I do, it's not something, it's not magic. It's for you to be patient and wait for the setup. It's not magic. Forget about the videos you see on Facebook or even on Instagram. That is even the worst. If you go on Instagram, oh my, you see traders, flaunting how they make money and stuff like that. I make this and I make that, and you feel like you are the only person not making money in the forex market. But all those things are not true. They are just concocted videos, right? And to make you buy their courses, or maybe influence you to maybe buy their signals, which most of the times is going to fail. The best thing about trading is for you to learn it for yourself and trade it for yourself, right? That's the best thing, right? But for those that can't wrap their head around it, I'm also inviting you guys to join me. Let us trade together. Okay, I can trade your account for you, and we will make the money together. Okay, if you have that mindset, hit me. You have my contacts in the comment section. You can call me, and we are going to talk about it, how we will work together transparently, right? We'll work together transparently. When we make the money, you will see the money, right? When we make the money, you will see the money, and we are going to do it together. And if you are too busy and you can't be there, you'll be having updates as the account grows, right? Then we'll talk about that privately. Okay guys, so far let's see what's happening here. Nothing much really. To an extent, oh, this would have been a nice trade, but you can see the higher time frame is literally against us, right? The higher time frame is telling us that this market is falling, right? That the market is falling, is falling. There's really nothing much that we can do. The market is falling, right? So taking a buy, you see that taking a buy, even though we have this our circle here, taking a buy here is going to be chaotic, right? You are going to lose a lot of money. Okay, so we trade and we try to trade cautiously. We are not perfect, but we try to trade cautiously, right? Okay, guys. So that is it. Gold. I really don't want to go into gold. That's why you see I've been away from gold, not trading gold for now, right? Using this account, no, I don't want to trade gold on it. Yeah, even though we are seeing how on the daily, gold definitely at the end of the day, gold might be going up, right? Might be going up definitely. So, but we at this point we don't have any reason trading gold right now, right? We don't have any reason trading gold right now. So that's why I'm just like keeping it aside, right? Keeping gold aside for now. Okay. All right, guys. So that is it for today. Let's see what is going to happen tomorrow. If we have our setup and the market, want to give us some money, we are going to take it, right? When we see our setup, we know that the market is ready to give us some money. This is one of the most important lessons you can ever have, right? Sit on your hands, fold your hands. I can't find any trade right now. What do? Fold my hands and I wait. I wait for my setup. I don't go around start looking for where I'm going to take a trade. No, no. Yeah, I know I have two trades running, but they are on a higher time frame. They are very slow. I just keep them there to just chill and do their thing. But I just fold my hands. If I can't find anything, just fold my hands. Okay. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take good care of yourself. Please be wise and trade carefully. All right, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also leave your comments. Right? Okay, it'll be nice to hear from you guys. Okay, and thank you so much for those that have subscribed already. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it, and hope we continue to grow together. Okay, take good care of yourself. See you in the next video. Bye.